to gid imuha kuan. So this is underneath. Our plate number 1 is above. So ang may tabuan ni is from each point of the building, project ka pataas. Reverse siya sa inyong plate number 1. Mura lang gini distorted ang resulta ali. Kuan kay ni siya dako, kay ni siya nga structure. Ayaw po niya ginawa ha. Kailangan ginawa dyan mo kaya basta malusot na sa laing mo siya.
Magawa sa mga.
I-mention dyan, wag ko mag-mention. Wala ko mag-mention, i-mention dyan.
Kaya tag ma-insert.
Oo, pero pugong-pugong ka dali kayo naka-record, i-mention dyan.
Ana Rose.
Sige lang, kita ramay nakasabot. Kuha na ba tayo? Ada pa. Baka mula pa sultan, no? Take note of this, ha? This is your wall, no? Kani. And then if you look at the sight line, parallel gid siya, directly parallel to that wall is directly parallel to the sight line. What does that tell you? Imagine daw. Kung say naong ana ini magtan-aw mo og kuan. Nya wall man ni siya. Kung say makita nimo ani kung nagbarog ka. Visually, ha? Line na lang, no? Dili na siya plain kay nagparihas man ang iyahang alignment. So, all the subjects point is already located. So, we try to locate that point. Nakuha niya eh. Okay. Where is our vanishing point? Okay. We still have to get the vanishing point BI of this. Dahil lahi ning vanishing point ha. Ang gipakita din vanishing point kanirang object. But in your paper, you will create different vanishing point. Can I have another extension paper? Okay, so I'm good. Mo dyan may tabo niya. So, this is the, for ease of understanding ba, like you have several BPLs man, name this, if you name this building 1, B1, B2, B3, B4, BPL1, BPL2, BPL3, something to that effect. So, ito ning i-extend. And by the way, kanang extension bitaw niyong i-fold sa next project. Ito lang naigo sa drawing ha, like if ang extension ko to brother, ayaw ko tagay sa extra, i-cut lang. Okay. Okay, so this is the, let's name this B1, VPL1, VPR1. Okay, so from this origin, okay, let's try to project the base. Okay. Notice, di imong building again, basig masayop mo ani. Your building is detached from the picture plane. Okay, so in base, this is not your building origin, but this is the measuring origin. Your building is actually this one, no, because of that. And then dili siya padong dito ha, padong sa diri, so magbuko gini siya maayo. Excuse me. Masud ba? Another extension please. Last na lang. Sige lang. Try to create. Kana bang with this challenge ba, you'll have base man. So make that line part of your kuan. Ang lettering nimo hindi gyapon stacker block. So nakabantay naman mo ani, inig-set up niyo mag-drawing dili ani kaubos itataas pa gyud. Masud ba pa eh? Okay. So, okay, so ano na po? Picture out kanina ang base, more sa floor plan hapit, and then this one Yan siya ay magpa-lend dahil 0.1.